Hello and welcome to my channel, Lux Lux Lucem. I am Frank. I love Victorinox Alox knives. I love these 93mm models with a thicker, longer tools and oxidized or anodized aluminum scales. They are stronger and more durable, but at the cost of losing the scale and back tools. I still love them, despite the lack of a corkscrew or multi-purpose hook or tweezers. And besides, an Alox ages well. It develops a beautiful patina. So, when I tell you in the title about the three best Alox knives, it's subjective and limited to my experience and what I need to do with them. First, I want to tell you about a lesser known model, the Army 2, also known as the Pioneer Pruner. It's simple, just the way I like it. A large blade and a pruning knife. That's all. And in a way, that's enough for my everyday needs. A large blade for eating or opening packages. A pruning knife for cutting small branches, preparing a graft in the garden, or stripping wire. It's almost a gentleman's folder. A small, simple, and discreet folding knife. It's in the same spirit as the Stockman, that great American classic with three blades. I have already made a video about it. I'll put a link at the end. Because, after all, a knife is first and foremost a blade, and it's better when there are several. I also wanted to talk to you about the Soldier 1961 and its civilian version, the Pioneer. Yes, it's an old model, dating back to 1961. The tools on the Pioneer and the Soldier 61 are the same. The only real differences are the wing on the Pioneer and a space for engraving on one of the Pioneer scales. And as a side note, the Pioneer features the Victorinox logo, not the Swiss emblem like on the Soldier. As for the tools, they remain identical. A can opener screwdriver, a bottle opener screwdriver, a nail in line with the handle, and of course, a large blade. This is a true classic, a camper's best friend. I know some people prefer the Pioneer X with its scissors, and feel free to tell me which one you prefer in the comments. And finally, my personal favorite, the Army 7. We're finishing with a 3-model layout. Inside, you'll find a bottle opener flathead screwdriver. Opposite to it, there's no can opener, but a pruning knife blade, the same one as on the Army 2. A nail completes the tools. Then, there's the large blade, and finally, a wood saw. This is a knife for people like me, those who spend time in the garden. It's a versatile knife, practical for outdoor use. It's not a city knife. For that, I'd lean more towards the Synergy X Alox, which I haven't actually bought. I explained all this in the video about the companion. There's a link at the end. I also prefer it to the Farmer X because I don't use the scissors outdoors or in the garden. I'll also include a link to the full Army 7 presentation for those who want to see more. What do you think of my top 3? Would you have chosen the same ones? Or would you have made different choices? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you think. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share, comment. It really helps us the channel to grow. Thanks for watching. I am still Frank and you're still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care and see you soon.